Brace yourself for an exhilarating ride. Today's video is packed with high-octane action that will have your pulse racing. Buckle up and prepare to be amazed as we take you on a journey you won't forget. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video to support our channel and see more amazing content. Operating a heavy machine remotely is no simple task, and in this challenging location, it truly tests any operator's skill. I'm no construction worker, but installing a crane on a boat seems smart. This mistake unfortunately caused 2 cranes to collapse, causing 12 injuries and a lot of property damage. Never underestimate water. It's got serious power when it breaks loose like that. Wow! Talk about a quick recovery! Thanks to their excellent teamwork, they quickly righted the truck and got things back on track. Oh my god! Transporting this massive setup damaged a 500-ton crane and 4 trucks. Thankfully, the driver escaped and everyone is safe. It's incredible, both pilots walked away unharmed after this plane split in half on the runway. It's like something straight out of a movie.
Dios santo, man.
This Volvo loader is unstoppable with that massive rock. This operator deserves a raise. Moving a 100-ton rock on 2 wheels is no easy feat. Oh no! The thick black smoke and flames from the explosion seem to swallow both the excavator and the coal truck. Wow! I was amazed by this crane operator's speed. He made a spectacular escape from the cockpit when the accident occurred unexpectedly. This is how you can ruin a brand new excavator in just 2 seconds. Watch as it tips over while being transported. I guess the operator of this Cat D7 bulldozer must have incredible nerves to work on such a cliff. Sometimes, even a small mistake can lead to surprising and significant results. Watch how an insignificant lapse can make a big impact.
Maแล้ว ว่างไหมลักตีว่างยีลง
Look at this guy! The mud made it incredibly difficult for this man to carry the heavy logs, causing significant hindrance to his progress. Here's a heart-stopping moment on Teton Pass. Arnold Cormack drives a 580,000-pound truck at 60 miles per hour and slams the brakes. Thankfully, the system worked flawlessly. Words can hardly capture just how ridiculous this machine is. It's truly a head-scratcher. Watch as they navigate the difficult conditions with expertise. The excavator operator's skill in this challenging terrain is truly admirable. This expensive yacht seemed improperly secured, and its massive size and weight caused it to tip over onto its side. Hopefully, this serves as a lesson in caution.
To fire, this Hitachi EX200 backhoe excavator caught a blazing fire due to an electrical issue, and the only way to extinguish the fire was to dump dirt into the engine compartment.
Oh my goodness! Thankfully, the fire was spotted and put out just in time. I can't even imagine the chaos if it had spread to the other train carriages. Oh, it seems the driver could use more training for winter roads. I'm really curious why they kept mining coal even after the fire started. What do you think about that decision? Oh no! This excavator tipped over so quickly. The operator seems to still be in shock from the sudden incident. These guys are being really reckless driving a 40-ton D250 bulldozer across this bridge without any barriers. Oh, this vehicle is really having a hard time going down the hill. Navigating this steep slope is no easy task. During the rainy season, mines face dangerously slippery roads like this, making driving hazardous, reducing production and impacting workers. I'm wondering why this excavator ended up right on the train tracks. If the operator had been more careful, this unfortunate incident could have been avoided.
This was.
Wow! These two dozers smashed right into a bus. What a dramatic scene! Incredible! Transporting those massive wind turbine blades up a mountain is a huge challenge. Look at that excavator working on those steep hills. It's impressive how it handles the terrain. This man made a perfect last-minute jump to save himself as the overloaded barge sank into the water. Did he really think it was smarter to let a train wreck that truck instead of just backing out and damaging the signal? This guy is a genius. This is indeed an unfortunate accident that no ship driver wants to happen. These two T800s, each with 450 horsepower, smoothly tow excavator parts. The first has extra weight for traction, and the second handles the load perfectly. I guess this is what happens when someone runs out of better ideas. Amazing! They're pulling that truck out of the ditch with impressive strength. That is the most breathtaking crane disassembly I have ever witnessed. This truck seems to be having the time of its life soaring through the air like that. Impressive! They're pulling that wood truck through the snow with great effort. This guy broke several safety rules. Open doors, no seatbelt, but pulled off an incredible stunt with great balance. Who says cats dislike water? This 18-ton cat D6 and dozer is stuck in the river. Can it escape? How cool! They're playing a game with the excavator. It's both fun and fascinating. This Caterpillar 320B erupted in flames after a hydraulic hose ruptured, spraying fluid onto the overheated engine. I feel bad for whoever went through the effort of arranging these stones so neatly, only for it to fall apart. Wow! Amazing! Watch as the Duzan 130 excavator skillfully breaks through dangerous rock at the bottom of the mountain. This sand truck tipped over while unloading. What a tough break for the driver! It seems that due to either overload or a technical failure, the crane lost stability, leading to this dangerous incident. Oh no! This excavator went down hard, completely flipped over in the middle of the job. Look at that truck backing up dangerously. It's a tense situation. Unfortunately, a northern Texas wind turbine caught fire from lightning, and despite firefighters' efforts, it was destroyed while onlookers watched. Incredible! The gigantic earth mover is being loaded onto the truck with such precision. It's tough to see such a beautiful portal crane being dismantled, but machinery has a limited lifespan, and pushing it beyond that becomes unsafe. Oh no, the rope broke while lifting. That's a dangerous and unexpected issue. Impressive! That vehicle is successfully climbing a steep slope. Look at that vehicle wading through the water. It's handling the conditions well. Watching this excavator driver perform incredible stunts is mind-blowing. The control and finesse displayed are simply astonishing. Oh no! The straps broke on the vehicle. That's a critical problem. Hope you loved the excitement. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for even more action-packed content. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next adventure.